Welcome back to the Magic of Leland. Today we're going to do something with a Valentine's Day banner because love is in the air. So this is just something quick and simple that I do. I just did a Valentine's Day actually last night, and a couple of weeks ago last week I also did another Valentine's Day dance, and this is what I did. Very easy to make. You just need one of these, about yay much. You're going to find about the third of the balloon, about right about there, maybe a little bit less. Then you're gonna tie this off here. So we're gonna give it a bigger neck, right about there. Tie it off. So you're gonna have this and that. It looks like your basic cat, but it's not. So now we're going to find the middle, which is right here. We don't want the middle, we want the offset just a little bit, about so much. So we're going to twist here. You have something that looks like that. You're going to take this and this, knead them, push it right through there. So now you got something that looks like that. So you got a bigger loop, smaller loop, and a straight one. The bigger loop, one's small, one's bigger. Split in half and twist it off. Just give it a couple twists, that's all you need. Doesn't have to be perfect, just like mine is not perfect. And then we're going to run this, the ones we split, the big one, through the center of that. There we go. So now we got something that looks like that. Bring it up just a little bit more. Now this piece here, we're going to make a small pinch twist. You'll see why in just a moment. Just a small one. Lock it in place. There we go. This fits right in here. You kind of shove it in there. And now this is the head. This is the swan if you haven't figured it out by now. And then we just take this piece, fold it down, and snap it. Yeah, sometimes it'll pop. That's okay. You carry it with plenty of extra balloons. And there we go. We got ourselves a swan. Well, that's noisy. So this kind of depends on the overall size of what this is going to end up like. Mine's a little smaller, which I think it'll still work. And you can hand it out like that. Draw some eyes on it if you want to. But here's the extra thing that makes it really special. This is okay, we're still good, but we want it really special. So what we do is we take, since it's Valentine's Day, we're gonna use the red one, inflate it all the way. And what I do is I find the center as close as possible, and I bring this in and kind of split it that way. So that way I'm going to do this to it. This is going to be a heart. Kind of give it that heart shape right now. Now we take one of these, put it right through the center of these two. We could do just one. Let's bring this down just a little bit more. Could just do one, lock it in place here, and then adjust your heart properly. But I'm going to take it one step further. I've already pre-made a second one. You can see it right there. I'm going to put it on the other side. Bring it right through the, again, we're bringing it right through the middle of these two, of the bigger loop at the bottom. And this may or may not work, just depending on how big. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to end up with this. So now that they're both in there, we take the two ends, gonna make a small bubble on this end, and then make a small bubble on this end, we're just gonna lock them in together. When you do that, you can just get it to happen. You just twist them together and then go around under and lock it in place. If you wanted to make nice, you could probably do pinch twists, but I'm not gonna take it that far because the whole point of this is when I got 100 kids to do, I have to knock them out really quick. So now, you just gotta form that heart. And this is where it helps out where you twist it before. So we're trying to get that heart shape right in there. My swans are kind of big, but I think it looks good. And there it is, just like that. So you could put, you've probably seen my princess wands, you could put it on the princess wand and walk away. I think it looks good just like that. There it is, 2 lovebirds. So I had the restaurant the other night and I did one of these for a couple that was there. It was an elder couple, elder man and elder woman. She loved it, and because she loved it, she was so nice and sweet that his heart melted. How cute is that, huh? So anyway, there you go, a couple swans on a heart. Great for Valentine's or anytime, or if you have like a special event where somebody is proposing or somebody is, you can tell that love birds, this is what I would usually make. So hopefully you guys will use that. Hopefully you guys like that. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing. It would help me out. And remember, always keep it amazing.